Okay, here we've got to sketch this graph with modulus signs in it. The first thing to not be put off by is the fact that this claims only to be worth 2 marks. That's because this is actually a fragment of a larger question, and earlier up the question you've actually worked out quite a lot of the details of the graph of y equals e to the 2x minus 9 without the modulus signs. So forget the 2 marks. This would be worth, I don't know, about 6 marks doing this from scratch. What you have to do is first of all think about the transformations you'd have to do in order to get e to the x onto this graph. It's very like question 2 that we did earlier, which itself was worth 4 marks, except you were expected on this to find the intersections with the axes. So first of all, ignore the modulus signs from the graph, sketch this, think about 2 transformations, but also take x equals 0 to find the y-intercept, and also solve y equals 0 to find an x-intercept, which will come out as, when you work it out, x will turn out to be something involving a natural log. So get the x and y intercepts, sketch the graph, the shape should be clear, you should transform an ordinary e to the x graph, and then finally, when you've got a graph that goes both above and below the x-axis, all you need to do is take the negative portions, the bit below the x-axis, and reflect those in the x-axis, because the modulus sign will turn the negative values into positive ones. So quite a bit to do in this question. Go through all of that. Don't be put off by the 2 mark allocation on there, which is misleading.